Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella. Hey everyone, it is your girl Jaeshun, also known as Naturally Here For You, back with another video. First things first, if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're not new and you're part of the family, welcome back, girl. How you been? How you doing? Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to make sure that you are engaging with me and letting me know that you guys are enjoying these videos. And also, don't forget to comment down below if you find anything that resonates with you during this video. Without further ado, let's jump in to what we're about to do. Haha, your girl got bars. Anywho, today's video, first things first, I know it's been a minute. You guys know I went away for my birthday. Not only that, I have to get that video to you guys, but your girl has been extremely tired. Like, trying to get back into the realm of things this week has just been blah. Now it's raining out here today. It's raining, it's cold, it's real ugly, but I said I need to get out a video before this week is over, so that is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so let's jump into this video, which is going to be on me taking care of my hair when it's in a protective style, and basically like how I take care of it during a protective style, also my nightly routine with my protective style. So we're gonna just combine those two and get into it. So as you guys can see, my scalp is very dry, it is flaky, it is white, it is no longer, you know, yeah, so my scalp is doing its own thing at this point. And the reason why it's really doing its own thing, because I forgot to bring my oil with me when we went out of town for my birthday. So my hair is struggling and I wanted to do everything for this video. So I have not even touched my scalp because I said I needed to, you know, be good to go for this. So we are going to go ahead and wash my hair. Yes, you're probably wondering, wash your hair? Your hair is tied up. Yes, but what you can do is still take care of your scalp while it is in a protective style. So I'm going to be going in with, I'm gonna go in with my mist to go ahead and get my scalp wet. Then we're gonna go in with, you guys know I love samples, so we're gonna go in with this shampoo, and then we're gonna go in with the conditioner from this Palmer's Coconut Oil formula line. Then I have the leave-in conditioner. I have the big one of this, and then of course some mousse to lay your hair back down. I have some oils. You guys know I love this oil blend, but I also have some grapeseed oil and some castor oil. Then we will go ahead and lay my edges down. Lately I've been loving this edge control that is with Saweetie, that collab. Sweet peach smells really good. So I have my comb and my toothbrush to do those. So let's go ahead and start wetting my scalp up. Super overdue for this because we were definitely in the water and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this front going with you guys, and then I'll do the back off camera. This, should have had my scissors, that's okay. As you guys can see, the water is dripping down and that my hair is dirty. Ooh, this smells so good. Especially my edges, because I've been putting a lot of edge control and stuff on there. And I think this is just the right amount because it's only going on my roots. It's not like I need it for all of my, you know, my actual hair. I think this works out quite perfectly. And I'm not worried about my hair not looking fresh anymore or anything because I love when my locks get messy. And trust me, your hair will love you for this. Okay, I have massaged this all in throughout my scalp. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and then we'll come back and put the conditioner in. I've just washed out the shampoo. Whew. And we got ourselves a nice clean scalp. Thank you, Lord. And yes, it was hard with all these thick locks. So now for the conditioner. I think I want to dilute it so that way I don't have to rinse it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a bottle and put some water in it. Actually, just put it in this. Conditioner is in. We are going to mix this with the conditioner and water. And now to go in with this cocoa butter and biotin leave-in. And just massage that all the way through. And now to go in with my oils. And now with this one. And now to massage. And then you'll do the back the exact same way. Now your mousse. And now to lay my edges. Nothing too much because, you know, we're going to bed. But I like for them to just kind of be a little laid down. So if I wake up and got to go somewhere really quickly, they're kind of just like already doing their thing. Okay, I got this new edge scarf. I don't know if it really makes a difference from like a regular scarf, but it's an edge scarf. So we're gonna try this out tonight and see how this works. Okay, and I have this big bonnet that was sent to me from Tranquil Tresses. I will be sure to link her Instagram and her website down below. She is a Black-owned business. She sent me this, and girl, it is the best bonnet that I never knew that I needed. It does not come off. I've tried it also with just before I put these these locks in, and it does not come off at all. So I just tie it one time here. And you see it just scrunches up to whatever size you need. And then I tie it in the back. And voila. So you guys, this is the end of the tutorial. Well, not even tutorial. This is the end of the video, okay? I hope that I helped you guys so that way, you know, whatever you're trying to take care of a protective style, you know now that you can wash your hair while you have a protective style. And there's nothing to it but to do it. Just take care of your hair. A lot of times I think people think that just because you have a protective style in that you don't have to do anything else to it. But you do. You have to take care of your scalp and everything else in it while it is in that protective style. And the protective style is just to help you along the way. So that way you don't have to do too much to your actual hair. But you also want to make sure that you have good hygiene and you're making sure your scalp is nice and clean along the way. And moisturize, 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 moisturize. So for me, I'll be going ahead and oiling my scalp every day after this. just to keep up with the hygiene of everything. And then I'll probably be taking these down pretty soon. But this is just a good in between if you want to hold on to your hairstyle a little bit longer. And like, you know, you saw those flakes and you're like, dang, now I feel like I got to take it out because you don't want your scalp to be seen. Nah, girl, keep it in for another week or so. Just wash it, massage it, moisturize it, and you're good to go. So that is the end. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. I'll make sure to put down all the products that I use down in the description box as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And your girl is going night night. Later, guys.